In this video, I'll show you how to use Astute Manager Pro to back up your Adobe Illustrator Preferences, Workspaces, and other important settings. The best time to make this backup is after Illustrator has been running smoothly, when everything's stable and you can quit the app normally. Illustrator only saves your preferences when it quits successfully, so if it crashes, those preferences are lost and replaced with the defaults. And before running the backup, make sure you quit Illustrator first. We can't back up settings while Illustrator is open. I have Astute Manager open, and in the left navigation, I'll click on Asset Manager, and then Illustrator. And here you'll see tiles for the different settings you can back up. We'll start with Illustrator Preferences, and go over and click the big orange button. And now your preferences files are backed up to the Astute Manager cloud, and you can twirl down to see those files here. Now let's continue and back up our keyboard shortcuts by clicking on the big orange button. And I can scroll down and click the big orange button for Workspaces and also for toolbars. And under each twirl down, we can see the files that are backed up. When it comes time to reset your preferences, you can do that in the Illustrator application by going to the Edit menu on Windows or the Illustrator menu on a Mac. Then choose Settings or Preferences, and then General. And here's the button to reset preferences. And for more information on resetting preferences in Illustrator, see the dedicated help article. Once preferences have been reset in Illustrator, you can come back to Astute Manager, navigate to Asset Manager and Illustrator to easily restore everything you just backed up. I'll show you those steps later in this series, but in the next video, we're going to back up your creative assets like swatches, brushes, and graphic styles.